Whenever someone breaks into tech and all the YouTube tutorials, there's one app that they tell you to put on their CV. It's called the TODO app. And that To-Do app on your CV is killing all your applications. So is the weather API and every other tutorial project you copied from a YouTube series. Now, every beginner course on YouTube tells you to follow along and put the demo on your portfolio. That was reasonable advice 6 to 8 years ago, around when I started, because back then those projects were actually quite rare. By 2026, every recruiter has seen the exact same 6 tutorial projects on 100 CVs. They know the pattern. So here's how the recruiter sees it. They open your top GitHub repo, they recognize the project structure, they recognize the README, copy pasted from the tutorial, and immediately you get binned. And that's it. They don't look at other projects. By that point, you're rejected. Tutorial projects don't prove you can build. They prove you can follow instructions. Those aren't the same skill. DevOps doesn't pay you well because you can follow instructions. So pick a project with no YouTube tutorial. Solve a problem you have at work. It could be a repetitive task or an automation that actually saves your team an hour a week, for example. Build it end to end and document the trade-offs you made. That is worth more than any tutorial project from YouTube. That's what gets you the job. That's what gets you talking to an interviewer and where you actually have stories to share to them. We cover what an end-to-end production grade project looks like in our communities. So comment or DM me the word project for an invite to our free community.